sleeping in a train ain't that glamorous. It's cool, it's fun, but it ain't that glamorous. I'm shooting a lot with this guy too, the Canon 310 XL. It's my first time shooting on Super 8, absolutely love it. I have 3 rolls with me, including one that's in here. So if you can see where that blue dot, we're going down here. We're gonna be coming up on the Golden Gate Bridge here shortly, which means we're very close to our final destination. Well, today's final destination. Well, we're close.
Now arriving Emeryville. Emeryville, now arriving.
Just got off the 11 Coast Starlight here in Emeryville, California. We're going to pick up a rental car from Budget, get some coffee. We have to get on our way to Point Reyes. I took a quick pit stop, got to a relatively familiar spot for some of you on Instagram. It's my first time here. I'm gonna take a moment. Video does not do this place justice. I'm gonna take some photos, share them with you here. Yeah, we'll continue on with our journey. I'm gonna try and take a picture of this guy here. We are off to the Chimney Rock trailhead. It's unfortunate, but you guys see what I see? Oh man, yeah. All right, check this. I see some markings of a trail, but it looks like, oh snap. Check this out, this is kind of scary actually. Trail, right? Trail. Missing part of the trail, AKA sinkhole, fallen down, and then a continuation of the trail. That's probably why there's that warning sign. All right, I'm gonna stay a little bit off the edge there. This is most definitely dangerous. Probably not safe, but how could you not? Explore, travel, see what's out here. It's not all like glitz and glam and big cities. It's what's outside of the cities. It's what is here in nature. Like this is free. Just drive right in, take a walk, take a hike. It's all right here for the taking. Without the Amtrak train, I wouldn't be able to do any of this. I would have maybe been able to do like one thing by flying there, but going to Olympic National Park, coming here to Point Reyes, that's 2 trips alone that are probably 600 to 800 plus each. But Amtrak, the train was the way to do it. Honestly, the train was the way to do it. That is it for today's vlog. Thank you all for watching. Thank you so very much. This was a blast. This was absolutely beautiful. Hopefully, just hopefully, everything else is just about as epic and cool as this is in its own separate way. It should be, but yeah, I'm out here. I want to experience things. I want to experience life. I want to just kind of spend time with nature, chill out, relax, and reflect, reflect. But yep, that is all. Thank you all. Tomorrow's gonna be a little slow. Tomorrow's a travel day, all on the train. Then we got LA, which is gonna be kind of like a little quiet on the DL. May do 1 or 2 things, but don't expect much. And then we're on to Flagstaff, Arizona. Once again, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.